Welcome everybody, thank you for tuning in to Black Hat Design, and today we're going to be working on the Stryker again. And what today is all about is actually importing the lights, so this will be lights part 2 and possibly other details of the Stryker. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Append, and we're going to go, it's going to give you a new window. You can't see my window, but you're going to go to Object, I believe. Select all these and it'll import it. Now as you can see, everything in here is looking real nice. If we pull it up, that's the light. It's a bit oversized, but that's what the main was for, so we could scale it down. We're going to scale it down kind of small, and we're going to hit Alt, middle mouse button to focus on it, and zoom into it. So I'm going to press Control C, or sorry, Shift C, and bring it over into the front, down, and over, and then excuse the car outside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the transform, 90, rotate it, that was the wrong axis, rotate it 90, also the wrong axis, I'm sorry, 90 on the Z, right, negative 90 on the Z, and there we go. That's looking nice and dandy. Now what we want to do is Shift to D to duplicate it, and then we're going to click it, light dot 2. Let's actually go over here and name this light dot 1. Now go back to light dot 2, and let's see which way is that, and we want to make this positive 4. And why is it not showing up? I'm confused. Oh, I know exactly why. Because what we did here was just, yeah, so we need to actually import it again, import it twice. So append, find the object, import it again, get the move tool, and then I'm going to go back over here to light 1, get the reference scale, so 1.12, come over here, 0.12, 0.12, and 0.12, and then move it to negative 11, 4, and 7, I believe, yes, negative 11, there we go, and rotate it negative 90 degrees. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the light set in place. Now what we want to do is we want to actually go, we want to open the lights. I'm going to put this down a bit. We want to open the lights, make sure that's named light 2. We want to open the lights, go to light main or light base on both the lights, and go to modifiers, boolean. We want to put a modifier onto the main body to curve the light base. We're going to do this for both. And boom, just click apply on that. Now what we want to do is add some materials to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the first light, and we're going to go to the materials tab. Yes, we gotta go into these. We gotta go, now let's go into the materials tab. Actually, let's delete this material. Wait until Blender loads. I'm going to delete that and click body main for the detail 1. And as you can see, let's hit Alt middle mouse button, click on it, and zoom into it. As you can see, supporting it. And then what we want to do is we want to go to the light base, select body main, We want to go to light cover, which I believe is that. Yep. So we go to light main and select body main. And for the light cover, what we want to do is create a new material called light. I'd say probably, yeah, that'd probably be the best idea once Blender loads. Excuse my typing, I just got up. Turn off use nodes. Or actually no, we're going to need use nodes for this. We're going to want, let's see, where is it? Emission. And we're going to choose some sort of light color, you know? And as you see, it will not render because we are in modeling mode. And since we're in modeling mode, it won't render, so we're going we'll set this to 1.5 as well. And let's go down to light 2 and do the same. So we're going to click body main, body main, body main, and back up to light. And that's the materials. Now I went ahead and went into render mode, render viewing. Of course we have no lights in the scene, so the rest of it is dark, but we do have right here, as you can see, the lights are emitting some light. So that's very good. And I think the next thing we want to do is little detail is actually add some point lights to these. So what we're going to do is we're going to Shift C on this, and I'm going to go down to light, and we're going to select points maybe. Let's see, I'm still not very familiar with lights, so no X on that. So we're going to go down to light, spotlight. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to go to the transform, rotate it 90 degrees. That way? No. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis, I believe. Negative 90, sorry. And we're going to set the color to... Let's set the color to yellow. Just Vignant. Sorry, not Vignant. Just, yeah, I can't think of the word right now, but yeah. And then we're going to Shift D, lock it in place, go to transform, and make it +4. And we now have working, or somewhat, I guess you could say working lights inside of this. Now there is one big important, it's not really that big of an important detail, but I consider it big. But what you want to do is light, or maybe like spotlight 2 for that one, spotlight 1 for this one, and then we're going to put spotlight 1 into light 1, and spotlight 2 into light 2, and then yeah, and then we're going to take these and drag them into main body. And I believe that is probably all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. This is Cat from Black Cat Design, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.